Thank you for visiting Satoshi Swiss Crypto. We can change your crypto adventure here. Is keeping tabs on the market something you're sick of? For only $79 a month, you can take part in our $1,000 to $100,000 trading challenge and trade like an expert, all without being tied to your computer. My trades can be automatically mirrored by you. Join Satoshi Swiss today and take your cryptocurrency skills to the next level. Together, we can rule the crypto world. To join, click the first link in the description below. Now, let's start the video. The events that are about to transpire will catch you off guard. When I say the Ripple will surge by 50,000, I mean it. The upcoming bull market is upon us, and we must prepare accordingly. If that goes unnoticed, you will regret it. It is possible that you will not have another chance to buy a coin at this price. Just what is going on here? Why am I so pumped up? Just so we're clear, withdrawal. Crypto enthusiasts emphasize the remarkable rise in value it experienced during that time by drawing comparisons to Bitcoin's past performance. Unfortunately, in terms of percentage growth, they are lagging behind Bitcoin at the beginning. At last, it climbed by about 50,000 to outperform Bitcoin. That the current market situation is very comparable to that of 2017 is worth mentioning. This is therefore crucial for us. Known more popularly as the crypto boom, 2017 was a banner year for the cryptocurrency sector. Asset prices, like those of stocks or cryptocurrencies, go into a bull market when they're going up. This gives investors hope that the trend will persist, which in turn motivates them to buy more. This is a time of growth and opportunity for investors. The original cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, saw a tremendous price surge and concluded the year at a record high. Though Bitcoin's gain was stunning, other cryptocurrencies' prices saw even more astounding jumps, which is interesting. Its worth skyrocketed throughout that time, particularly in the second half of 2017. Monero became one of the top-performing cryptocurrencies of that year as a result of its value explosion, which helped it achieve a stunning percentage gain compared to Bitcoin. If it isn't important now, why is it? To put the present market dynamics in perspective, one must be familiar with the history of cryptocurrencies. For example, the significant increase in 2017 serves as a reminder of the market's short-term volatility and profit potential. Pay attention, investors, tokens like WEF experience with extremely high and low price fluctuations. Cryptocurrency investors of today and tomorrow might learn a lot about the market's volatility and unpredictability from reviewing 2017's events. It stresses the need of knowing historical data, understanding market patterns, and doing thorough study before making investing decisions. Moreover, the elements impacting its price movement are called into doubt by the fact that it had such a robust spike in 2017 but is now doing poorly. The sudden 150% increase in Bitcoin's price in just 1 week shocked most investment markets, suggesting that Ripple's expansion could be on the horizon if historical trends continue. Prior to January 2017, suffered big losses for 5 straight months commencing in October 2016. Over this time, prices dropped by 37%. Coincidentally, within the same time frame, from October 2016 to February 2017, Bitcoin's value rose significantly, with positive price movements reported in 4 of those 5 months. Importantly, this information reveals how Bitcoin's performance varied during that period. Bitcoin was going through a rocky patch of continual losses, even though its value was generally rising. The fact that different cryptocurrencies can see vastly different price movements, even within the same time frame, is indicative of the market's diversity and volatility. The value dropped significantly by 37%. There was a phenomenal 87% surge in the value of Bitcoin. From its October 2016 low of $571, Bitcoin had surged to a February 2017 high of $1,070. Even more interesting than this spike is the fact that Bitcoin kept rising after February 2017, bounced back, and eventually surpassed Bitcoin despite its early struggles. Although Bitcoin's value fell by 10% in March of 2017, It then surged by an incredible 584%. This suggests that the ETH's price increased quickly in a short amount of time. During the months that followed, it continued its impressive rise. Although it wasn't quite as steep as that perspective of Bitcoin's worth soared throughout April and May 2017, it still rose by 143 and 374 points, respectively. As of May, the price of Bitcoin was 70, up 26 from April. It is remarkable to see how the value of DS changed relative to Bitcoin over that time frame. Since the value of different cryptocurrencies can experience large fluctuations in very short periods of time, these extreme price swings are a sobering reminder of the extreme volatility of the cryptocurrency market. There were ups and downs in the price of Bitcoin throughout 2017. On the other hand, you could see that their lowest prices were increasing as time went on. This kind of action is commonly referred to as an uptrend. Despite a delayed start, it outperformed Bitcoin throughout this period, which is quite intriguing. As a result, the rate of appreciation was far higher than Bitcoin's. When prices are going up and the low points are going up, investors are always looking for trends like this. Despite the inevitable ups and downs, this points to a robust market and generally growing pricing. Just to give you an idea of how high this was, think about how Bitcoin had a climb of almost 2,000% starting at $966 during the so-called 2017 bull run. Starting in January 2017 and about $20,000 by the end of 2017. Regarding Duriel, it rose from a low of less than 1 cent in January 2017 to a high of more than $3 in January 2018, a tremendous increase of nearly 50,000% during the same bull run in 2017. The intended course of action is identical to that which was taken in 2017 during the 2021 bull run, when its value increased significantly. Having said that, its price fluctuation was reduced as a result of the lawsuit filed by the Securities and Exchange Commission. Ripple allegedly offered it to investors in violation of multiple regulations since it was promoted as an unregistered security, according to the Securities and Exchange Commission. The details of Ripple's most recent victory were clarified by the court. The court denied the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission's appeal after they attempted to contest portions of the case. This triumph was a source of considerable satisfaction for Ripple since it clarified its position with regulators. It seems like the situation is similar to what happened in 2017 given the clarity of that degree of status. The value of Bitcoin is expanding at an astounding rate, far outpacing the gains realized. Just like in 2017, some investors have voiced their displeasure and sold off their shares. A recent